We are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister is visiting Gangai Konda Cholapuram. There is a great connect between our Honorable Prime Minister and the Rajendra Chola. Prime Minister constructed Jal Mandirs when he was the CM of Gujarat. Rajendra Chola built Jal Pillars. It's a great connect. And there was a connect between Ganga and Kaveri thousands and years of back itself. So there is a great connect between our Honorable Prime Minister and Tamil Nadu Rajendra Chola. So we are very happy. Today Tamil Nadu government has allotted 12 crores to de-silt the Chola Gangam project river. Only after Honorable Prime Minister visit, even the Tamil Nadu government is reminded of the local glory of the Rajendra Chola and the local glory of the Gangai Konda Cholapuram. And really it's a historic visit. We are very happily expecting our Honorable PM's visit, and there is a great connect between the Ganga and Kaveri, that is from our Honorable Prime Minister and Tamil Nadu. This indicates a glorious history.